Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XL trim and powered by a 3.3-liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with a new look inside and out. Let's take a look around the back and then take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to the inline with the bed of the truck, so you have very easy access to the back seat where you have seating for three comfortably, and it can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders, USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And then looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free, actually you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance features and settings, your fuel economy, comm screen, and then you can also look at some of your maintenance information if you go deeper into that menu system. And then on the left side you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth, I believe, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. With reverse sensors, it will also beep to alert you. And you have dynamic hitch views, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, hazards, and traction control shutoff. Then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and a bunch of different drive modes. Here we can look at normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to your the right side, where you have a 12-volt power outlet and USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then this button up here opens the compartment above your glove box for more storage. And then moving down from your climate controls, where you have another 12-volt and USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf here, so you can put your device there while it's charging or whatever else. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders, and then this can be folded up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that, you have a lockable compartment. Actually, this is buckled. You have a lockable compartment here, as you can see, for even more storage. And in this truck you have vinyl flooring, so no need to worry about a carpet that's going to get stained and gross. And before I forget, your column shifter does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.